International Physicians for Prevention of Nuclear War (IPP) and 𝐓𝐄𝐃 makada affiliate toba Indian Doctors for Peace and Development (IDPDG) mihut mga nasaba kangbu ama Manipur da thokliba furupki irang asina awaban nangduna relief camp singda leiriba inmates-singgi fibam yingsankhre. IPP and 𝐓𝐄𝐃 Co-President Dr. Arun Mitrana luchingba mihut kangbu aduda Dr. Sakil Rahman, Dr. Rabindranath, Dr. Santi Amadi, Dr. Rasnina ngasi Khumanlampa Hostel No. 2 da leiriba inmates singa unaduna makoina thengnariba awabasingge matangda wari sanakhi. Loinana makoigi maikaidagi pangba yaba mateng sing pangbaga loinana India government na makoigi tangai phadaba sing yengshinbinaba taksingani haikhi. Khongchad aduga mari lainana Dr. Arun Mitrana hai malemgi laibak khudingmakta nuclear war gi chaitheng phangdanaba laibak khudingmakki miyam physically amasung mentally awaba mayoknadanaba hotnaduna lakli miyambu ingna tapna hingnaba amadi chaukhatpa laibak ama puraknanaba hotnaduna lakli. Manipur da thogliba irang asi yamna nungaitaba thodok amani athuba matamda mahosagi punsida hanjilaknanaba hotnaminasi haike.
We are against violence because peace is the basic thing that is required for any development purpose. And we were much pained when we heard about these things going on in Manipur. We have been going on to other places also, like wherever natural calamities have occurred, we have been giving them medical aid. But here the things were slightly different. So we thought first we will visit the place, take an assessment, particularly on the health issues.
We are trying to do a health need assessment, and then we will try to lobby with all stakeholders who are either in the government or non-government organization to provide this help to the people who are in the refugee camp. They get the health needs as per their requirement, which is according to the international refugee standards.
They are not supplying properly napkins, and also there is no gynecologist when they get the problems, and we have seen inside the washrooms and all, they are not maintained properly, and there is no regular water supply.
What is the prevalent now is taking the toll of their mental health, which is to be addressed very seriously, because it is going to have a long-term impact on the minds of the kids and the women, and also the other refugees who are staying here in the camp. So the physical health is very important, and mental health is all the more important. Everything should be taken care in a holistic manner.